It's Wednesday, December 18th, and the Indian markets are facing another challenging day. Sectoral declines are widespread, and the broader market sentiment remains cautious. Stay tuned for more updates as we track the market's movements. The Nifty closed 137 points lower at 24,098, while the Sensex ended down 502 points at 80,182. Declines outpaced advances, with 2,456 stocks falling against 1,379 gaining. Pharma emerged as the sole bright spot, rising 1%, while sectors like auto, energy, PSU bank, metal, media, and realty saw losses ranging from 0.5% to 2%. Trent, Dr. Reddy's Labs, Cipla, Wipro, and Bajaj Auto led the gains, offering some relief to the indices. However, Tata Motors, Bharat Electronics, Power Grid Corp, JSW Steel, and NTPC were the top losers, weighing heavily on the market's performance. The Indian rupee ended at an all-time low of 84.94 against the U.S. dollar, slipping by 3 paise as strong demand for the greenback, equity outflows, and weakness in regional currencies weighed on sentiment. Persistent global uncertainties over economic growth and Federal Reserve policies added pressure. However, the Reserve Bank of India's interventions helped stem further losses. Vishal Megamart shares soared on their market debut, opening at a 41% premium on the BSE and 33.3% on the NSE. The momentum continued throughout the session, pushing the stock up by 45% from its issue price. This remarkable debut propelled the company's market capitalization past 50,000 crore, marking a strong entry into the capital markets. Power Grid Corporation of India has secured board approval to raise Rs 4,250 crore through private placement bonds. The company's Committee of Directors for Bonds greenlit the issuance of Power Grid bonds, marking them as unsecured, non-convertible, and redeemable. The broader markets lagged behind the benchmarks today, with the Nifty Mid-Cap 100 slipping 0.64% and the Small Cap 100 shedding 0.87%. This decline highlights a cautious sentiment among investors towards mid- and small-cap stocks, reflecting a pullback in broader market participation. Gold is trading at $2,644, down 0.08%, as investors await the Federal Reserve's policy update. While a rate pause is expected, focus shifts to the Fed's 2025 outlook, with fewer rate cuts anticipated. Strong U.S. retail sales and rising Treasury yields have pressured gold, along with a firm dollar index. Punjab and Sind Bank raised Rs 3,000 crore through its first infrastructure bond issuance, receiving bids of 6,031 crore. The bonds were accepted at a coupon rate of 7.74% per annum, marking a key step in expanding the bank's infrastructure lending. MobiKwik Systems made a stellar debut on the BSE, opening at Rs 42.25 with a 58.51% premium. The stock saw a high of Rs 530 and a low of 4439 with over 1.45 lakh shares traded. The IPO, which was subscribed 119.38 times, raised Rs 572 crore. Wellspun One is raising Rs 4,000 crore to expand its logistics portfolio, attracting global investor interest. The funds will support its goal of doubling its portfolio to 32 million square feet by 2028, with an identified pipeline of 8 million square feet across multiple assets. That wraps up today's market highlights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more market insights.